Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Tesla price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting here on the 4 days chart to see the overview for Tesla, where are we and where we are heading, what to expect today as well. So we have of course an A, B and a C toward the upside, potentially impulse correction, impulse finished, and you are expecting as bearish, potentially of course 3 wave and of course return and then continuation toward the upside later on, of course after reanalyzing it. Now, of course, another scenario, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Potentially this wave 4 still unfolding in an expanding flat as well and moving for higher. Why I am the highest possibility is for a wave 5, because of course we did not reach yet the wave 1 here. It means we did not interfere with the zone 1, meaning higher potential that we are in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, unless of course invalidation of this impulse. So basically, the bearish scenario is a very long wave, a C toward the downside. Obviously, it might be a very clear recession for Tesla, of course, in this very clear expanding flat. And the targets are $70, $50, very psychological numbers as well. And of course, inside the blue box taken from this, of course, A, B, and a C. Let's dive inside this pattern on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, of course, we are clearly here as 3 waves up, 3 waves down, meaning, of course, impulse finishing wave C. Definitely, there is nothing impulsive in this area. And anyway, if we are impulsive 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, your wave 4 right now has interfered your zone 1 in case this is a wave 1 here. But of course, it is not the case. Let's move inside this wave right now to, of course, analyze what do we have for today. So inside this wave, we are looking potentially for a wave C toward the downside, or a wave 1, which it might of course unfold a bigger scenario here toward the downside. So we're looking 1, 2, 1, 2, and another 1, 2 here, and of course a massive wave 3. So as you can see, the gap between the wave 1 and the wave 4 is very obvious, meaning this is your wave 3, and then 4, 5, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. So we have triple 1, 2s here, and we are expecting as well, of course, a triple 4, 5. Currently, we were expecting, of course, a retracement toward the 0.23, right, for a wave 4, and then continuation toward the downside. And this is exactly what happened, even without reaching the 0.23. Is it possible to still get it? Yes, of course. To know this much better, we need to take a look inside it. So yeah, as you can see, this is an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You got your correction, and you're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a zigzag toward the upside. Meaning today is gonna be a green day, but in overall we still very bearish, guys. So don't forget this. We might of course rebound toward the downside again, and having of course lower prices after finishing this wave 4 continuation toward the downside. As A, B, and a C zigzag, hitting perfectly the blue box in the 0.23 Fib level 254, I would say is where you would like to start to be careful from a rebound toward the downside, yeah, because you took the high. If you take it in 5 waves here, and therefore of course you have to be careful as well from this area, because the move might be again very massive towards the 200 and 190 for Tesla. Impulsively, of course, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, and of course to be reanalyzed. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.